back to my channel. I'm Marielle, also known as ItsaCurlysituation, and in today's video I'm going to be testing out a new conditioner. So if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So I went conditioner shopping because I had a Target gift card and I just bought some conditioners, and in today's video I will be trying the Urban Hydration Honey Health and Repair Deep Conditioner. Looks like this. And it is not open, you guys. I literally, this is like my first time using it with you guys. And when I looked at the directions, I'm just taking this little piece off right here. So I was like a little piece on. I ordered this online, by the way. I didn't really see this in Target store. It probably was sold out. But it says it's a honey health and repair deep conditioner, veggie glycerin, ginger, avocado oil, aloe leaf, pro vitamin B5, paraben free, sulfate free, healthy, phthalate, I can't see it because it got smaller, free, and paraffin free. It says it helps repair damaged hair, helps repairs damage, helps prevent breakage, and helps tame frizz, break through tangles while cleansing and moisturizing strands, promotes shine while also repairing damage. So it says it cleanses the strands as well. Here it says it's a deep conditioner, and that's why I got it. But when I read the back, it says strengthens, detangles, and moisturizes, restores softness, add weightless shine. And it doesn't say how long to leave this on my hair, so I don't know how it's a deep conditioner. Maybe it's a deep conditioner, like a penetrating deep conditioner that is good for your hair. In the directions it says apply desired amount into palm and work through wet hair from roots to ends, massage into scalp, and rinse thoroughly. So based on reading that, it seems like it's a co-wash, which is odd that it says it's a deep conditioner, but we shall see. And it also says style tip, best for low porosity hair. It says very, very small. Look at the small print that I'm reading, guys. It's super tiny. So we're gonna go ahead and just try it. Let's see if it's open. It is already open. So I have washed my hair and I haven't detangled it. I only pre-pooed my hair and kind of finger detangled it, but I haven't conditioned it. So let's see about this. We're gonna get closer. Start off by sectioning my hair into 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump it out for you guys. So it's a very nice pump. The bottle kind of squished in as I pumped it out. It smells kind of sweet. It smells familiar, but I can't think of what it smells like. It's very creamy and it's kind of thick, just slightly thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my hair. It smells like Jergens lotion. That's exactly what it smells like. It smells like Jergens lotion, the cherry scent or something like that. I don't even know if they have a cherry scent. I'm getting more. It's kind of hard to hold this bottle and pump, so I'm gonna put it on my leg and pump some out. This is warm water, by the way. Apply quite a bit. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. It's kind of thick, as you can see. I don't know. I'm applying a little bit more. The slip is okay, but it's not like amazing. It literally feels like I'm applying lotion to my hair. Like lotion. Because it's not really penetrating my hair, it's just sitting on it. And I don't even want to finish using it actually. I'm not happy. You guys, the slip is literally like lotion. Jergens lotion. I know Jergens lotions because it's in my car. It's my car lotion. Like I have it in my car because I have kids and I like to have moisturized hands. And I have a bottle of this in my car and this is what this feels like. So that's that. And all those pumps of conditioner I literally just applied to this section, so we shall see. I'm gonna go ahead and keep applying and detangling my hair and then I'll come back when I'm all done. It does soften my hair, like it feels soft right here. It doesn't have great slip, guys, for me. For me, it doesn't have great slip. I'm gonna try to really saturate this part of my hair, this section, and see if there's any difference in it. But it doesn't feel like it's penetrating my hair. It feels like it's sitting on my hair. And it just feels like lotion. Like this is my hair before anything is on it, okay? Before. Nothing on my hair. This is about 8 pumps. 8. No slip, just sitting on top. It's actually sliding down my arm. It's not a lot of slip. I added about 4 more pumps. And this is a joke. This feels like I'm putting lotion on my hair, you guys. I'm not exaggerating. It feels like I'm putting lotion on my hair. Even like my hand has a film on it, like lotion. I've rinsed my hair. I left it on my hair for about 5 minutes because it doesn't say how long to leave this on my hair. And let me show you guys. This is my hair. It feels like I have a film on my hair. Like, it feels like I put lotion on my hair. I'm not even exaggerating, guys. It really feels like I put lotion in my hair, and I didn't like it very much. I don't like this product, actually. And I don't even think I'm gonna keep it. Let me show you guys the other side. Like, when I roll my hair like that, I can still see like some of the product on my hair. I can feel it on my hair. So yeah, I didn't really enjoy that conditioner. I wouldn't say it's a deep conditioner. I didn't feel anything. I feel like I'm putting lotion on my hair. Let me see what it looks like when I open it. Yeah, it looks like lotion. Huh, that's interesting. It says especially good for all hair types, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, so for me, I would give this a 1 out of 5 for me because it doesn't have slip. It didn't moisturize or strengthen my hair. It doesn't have a great smell. It smells like lotion, and it doesn't feel good going on my hair. It feels like I'm putting lotion on my hair. So I didn't really enjoy this product at all. And I'll leave the price in the video. I think it was $2.99. So yeah. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.